this weekend workshop that I'm offering in about 10 days here in Aljezur at the Temple of the Earth. It's going to be from the 24th till the 26th of June. So we'll have a whole weekend to dance movement medicine. And I'm so looking forward for that. I love teaching our drop-in sessions, but now we'll have a whole weekend to really blend into what's here, to really welcome you as you are, and have a whole weekend that will be supported by dance, by sharings, by coming together in space where we can feel landed and safe, bring safety into what's actually here, and to awaken our bodies and feel into that safety in our own bodies, so we can have room to include our hearts and include what's real, include what's alive, and bring that what's here now. And maybe you might feel like, it's all good and we're just gonna dance, which is amazing. And maybe you're there and you're like, wow, it actually feels painful. And instead of numbing down, of like closing down, if that's not safe or what will others think, there's really the space that through the body we can connect to what's really true and connect back to our hearts. I see how easy for me it's. So you just go back to some usual way of being, or your daily life, or in some ways that it's just so easy to cut off to what really matters to you, to cut off from the aliveness, and the aliveness that is only in the present moment. The aliveness is what's alive now. And so easy we get into story of what was in the past, story of it's in the future, story of what am I doing now, story of what I want to do, talking social with people, describing things, story, but leaving all of that, and telling stories about what is, but to actually come into the aliveness of the presence in the body, in this moment, where you connect, where you have enough space to be in the dance, to dive in, to be with it, not to want to go anywhere or reach anything, but to drop in, to fall back into the body, to drop back and just be with it, feel where actually right now what's alive, and then following those impulses that keep opening and bringing more of you, and keep bringing more of the heart, and give space, both the safety and the expression and the freedom and the permission to actually not to keep ourselves in the boxes, but actually that permission to go wow, and bring that into life with others, and have those others to support our journey, to reflect, to mirror different aspects of ourselves as well, and to do this in connection, in togetherness, because so much we receive by actually meeting each other and being together for this journey. So the name of the workshop is called Rooted in the Heart. And movement medicine is about the heart. It's heart medicine. It's about really making this, feeling this, bringing it into life, and gathering the medicine of what's moving through us, and bringing that into connection. So we're going to use the different elements to support that. The earth, the land, support the nourishment, to connect us with the fire that is alive, that connects us to what matters, and gives space to shine, to the sunlight, the beating hearts, and the waters that bring that fluidity, that sensuality, that freedom of adapting, of change, of letting go, of surrendering to what we don't know, and inviting the air to bring lightness, possibility, dream, expansion. But all of that just as anchors, as supports to guide us really to our own heart and what that means. So there's still a few spots available for this weekend, and I look forward to have you and to share this dance with you. I'm sure it's going to be beautiful.